In this video, we will show you how to delete comment on Instagram. To delete comment on Instagram, it's very easy, but there is have a condition. For example, the comment on our own post. For example, we can just make a comment look like this, and we can send the post. This is the comment. To delete our own comment in our post, just tap in your comment and hold. After the hold, the option to delete will appear in the top right corner. Just click this icon. Now, the comment has been deleted successfully. And also, we can hit or comment. All comment on our post can be hidden or can be disabled. In here, just click this and we can turn off commenting in here. Okay, then the all comment will be hidden in here, and we can turn on commenting to see the all of comment here. We can also delete or hide the offensive comment using this feature. Okay, but in here, let's do or delete comment on another post. For example, I open the Liverpool page, and for example, I comment in here. We comment in here, click post, and to delete on the other post. Okay, for example, we can also highlight or hold on our comment, and the option to delete will appear. But in the other post, we cannot see the pin button in here. Just click this. Now the comment has been deleted successfully. And that's all tutorial how to delete comment. Even you can hidden the all comment if you need in your own post. Hope this video helpful for you.